Yes, the young people must know that we don't have any other state other than River State. Like when we were growing up, there was this slogan on River State Radio, love River State or leave her alone. Don't run her down. So you love River State. You should not run her down. Only one man can be governor of River State at a time. We will not have two governors. And the people of River State are bigger than Asari Dokubo. River State is bigger than any individual. No individual can take River State people for a ride and pocket us. It's not possible. Local government tenure has expired today. They should quietly go home. If they want to seek re-election in accordance with the Constitution, they should go and seek re-election. But there is no tenure elongation in the Constitution. Their position is tenure ban, and that tenure has expired. Let them not cause unnecessary problem for the people of the state. And I want to advise young people that, look, don't allow yourself to be used. Most of us, their children are not here. And their children have never come out to stand in front of any protest. They are not like Mandela and his children or me and my children or anybody. A lot of people, they've not done this. So nobody should be allowed. Most of them were with us. Today they are bigger than us. They have become very wealthy. They have become very powerful. But is that why you should submit yourself to be used by them? The people are showing people's power. The people have gone on their own to take over local government secretariat. Because it's the people. Nobody can say that we voted for 3 years tenure for a chairman and a chairman should exceed 1 second of that tenure.